Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we are exploring SoundHound AI in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since April 10, 2025, our system has identified SoundHound AI as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.21. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 0.37%. This corresponds to an average return of 0.09% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines within this trend are anticipated. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of nearly -47.58% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -58.72% to -40.23%. Shifting our focus to the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 61.09%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 44.59% and 434.24% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price range between $11.90 and $43.97. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline, "Green Day on Tuesday for SoundHound AI Inc. stock after gaining 0.98%. The SoundHound AI Inc. stock price experienced a gain of 0.98% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, rising from $8.15 to $8.23. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.19%, with a day low of $8.09 and a day high of $8.51. This price has seen ups and downs during the period, resulting in a gain of 0.37% over the last 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 2 million shares, with a total of 16 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $135.05 million. It is important to consider that a decline in volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence, potentially serving as an early warning of changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $24.98, while the lowest was $3.50. Currently, the price is 67.05%, or $16.75. Below the 52-week high of $24.98, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. The latest news surrounding SoundHound AI Incorporated, trading under the ticker symbol SOUN, highlights a growing legal challenge for the company, as multiple class action lawsuits have been filed against it. These lawsuits stem from allegations of securities law violations that occurred between May 2024 and March 2025, impacting investors who have suffered losses during this period. Key dates for potential claimants are approaching, with deadlines for contacting legal firms varying until late May 2025. This surge in legal action could lead to increased volatility in SoundHound's stock price in the near term, as uncertainty typically prompts more cautious trading behavior among investors. In the long term, if the lawsuits result in significant financial penalties or settlements, they could adversely affect the company's profitability and investor sentiment. However, not all news is negative. Recently, SoundHound's AI ops platform, Autonomics, was recognized as a market leader in the 2025 ISG Buyer's Guide, which could bolster its market positioning and attract new business. This recognition could provide a counterbalance to the litigation concerns, potentially stabilizing the stock if the company successfully leverages this validation. Thus, while the immediate outlook for SOUN appears affected by these legal challenges, its long-term performance may hinge on how effectively management can capitalize on its market strengths and navigate legal hardships. Investors should stay vigilant as developments unfold in this dual narrative. Got it? One more time? Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN an underperform rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, it was also reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Again, on Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, H.C. Wainwright also issued a buy rating for SOUN with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 9th of August 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Cantor Fitzgerald assigned SOUN an overweight rating with an upgrade recommendation. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. There are mixed signals regarding the stock today. The SoundHound AI, Incorporated, currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a more negative outlook for the stock. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $9.08. Conversely, if the stock declines, it is expected to find support from the short-term average at $8.07. A breakout above the long-term average would result in another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would reinforce the sell signal, thereby strengthening the overall outlook. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. A buy signal was issued following a pivot bottom on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and since then, the stock has risen by 14.62%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. It is worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day, despite the rise in prices, which indicates a divergence between volume and price, potentially serving as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 61 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal 16 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 43 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 29 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI, Incorporated, finds support from accumulated volume at $8.20. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and due to the wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated 420 cents between its high and low, representing a movement of 5.19%. Throughout the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 11.21%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios might suggest inadequate profits and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of May, 2025. Analysts have reached a consensus estimate of negative 0.07. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's explore some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $9.21. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, SoundHound AI faces its first support level at $8.20. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of March, 2025, HOM James Ming conducted an insider sale of 28,388 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of March, 2025, HOM James Ming conducted an insider sale of 51,196 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March, 2025, Mohajer Kevin conducted an insider sale of 118,605 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of March, 2025, Mohajer Kevin conducted an insider sale of 138,895 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March, 2025, Sharan Nitesh conducted an insider sale of 48,639 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 10.782. Overall, insiders purchased 6,311,191 shares and sold 6,944,269 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? SoundHound AI Inc. presents several negative indicators, leading us to believe that it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 16th of April, we anticipate that SoundHound AI will open higher by approximately 4.66 cents, beginning at $8.28. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.